What's up, gang? Dinotti live from Sainte Maxime, another town next to Saint-Tropez, next to Port Germont, whatever. Beautiful, awesome beach, heavenly beach. This is France, guys. This is France. And you know what is the best? Parking is free everywhere, no tickets. Yes, and I don't even see cops anywhere. So beautiful, guys. So tomorrow I'm moving to Nizza, Monaco, Monte Carlo to check out, to gamble a little bit, you know, to see those rich bastards. Doesn't matter. I don't need money. I have me, myself, and my happiness. So guys, see you tomorrow, and shit, this is awesome.